TurboTax versus Jackson Hewitt. Two trusted brands for tax prep, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, TurboTax, easy and guided from Intuit. And on the right, Jackson Hewitt, featuring flat rate and in-person expertise. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how each really stacks up for your 2025 taxes. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay, here's a quick mind map of what we're going to hit. Price, features, expert support, convenience and access, accuracy and guarantees, and, of course, plain old user experience. Super important stuff, and we'll tackle each point one by one. Ready? Starting with price. TurboTax actually lets almost 37% of folks file for free, if your return is pretty basic. And you don't have to pay up front, which is nice. But, oh man, once you get into more complicated stuff, the price just goes up and up. Honestly, it's probably the priciest of all the big tax software right now. Now, Jackson Hewitt's online option is like shockingly simple. One flat $25 fee covers everything. Federal, unlimited state returns, whatever. No confusing tiers or upselling. And that kind of clarity is refreshing. But, little catch, there's not a free version at all, even for super simple returns. Bottom line here, Jackson Hewitt absolutely takes the win for price. Let's talk features. TurboTax goes all out with guided, step-by-step filing. It'll auto-import your forms, carry over last year's info, let you upload tax docs with a snap. Seriously impressive. Oh, and if you're self-employed, QuickBooks hooks in like magic. But you do have to shell out more for the most advanced features. Just saying. Over on Jackson Hewitt's side, things are a bit more pared down. Their interface is clean, and there's just one bundle for everyone. No confusing packages, no hidden upgrades. Still, there's no mobile app, and you miss out on some handy stuff like auto-importing. Honestly, TurboTax packs in more for the feature-hungry, so TurboTax takes this round. Let's get into expert support. TurboTax has TurboTax Live. That means you can get real expert help online whenever you need, or let them prep your taxes for you. Super convenient. Just a heads up though, that full expert support does drive the price up. Jackson Hewitt? They've got live chat for questions, which is solid, but the extra flex is you can drop by a real location or even drop off your paperwork if you want that face-to-face support. But they don't actually have online pro review, so if you want someone combing through your forms digitally, it isn't here. TurboTax is just stronger on deep expert help. So yep, TurboTax scores again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know over 70 million Americans use tax prep software every year? That's a whole lot of electronic tax headaches getting solved. Now, for convenience and access, TurboTax is everywhere. Web, iOS, Android, desktop. Heck, you can start on your phone at the coffee shop, pick up on your laptop at home, pause whenever. The only thing missing? Physical locations. Jackson Hewitt, on the other hand, is all about that in-person experience. Offices all over the country. Drop-off, online, whatever suits you best. But weirdly, there's no mobile app, just the web for online filing. So, honestly, both have a unique angle and answer to different needs. I'm calling this a tie. Accuracy and guarantees. Okay, this one's big. TurboTax promises maximum refund, maximum savings, and stands by their 100% accuracy. If there's an audit, you get help. Jackson Hewitt is no slouch either. 100% accuracy, and if they mess up, coverage up to $20,000 for errors. Both are rock solid here. So, again, it's a dead heat. Last up, user experience. TurboTax is seriously smooth. Everything just works. It's super reliable, and your return gets processed fast. That said, you are paying for top-tier experience. Jackson Hewitt, meanwhile, keeps things simple. Easy interface, not much to distract you. But no mobile option, and some folks say it feels pretty bare bones next to TurboTax. So, TurboTax does edge out here if you care about polish. All right, if we map out all those scores on a chart, TurboTax tends to pull ahead with features, expert support, and user experience. But Jackson Hewitt plants a big flag in the price space and totally holds its own for convenience and accuracy. So here's the verdict. If you want premium features, automations, and expert help on standby, go TurboTax, even though you'll pay more. If price is your ride or die, and you want a super straightforward deal, Jackson Hewitt holds strong, especially if you want to walk into a physical office and chat with someone. Pick what matters most to you. Honestly, ready to actually file your taxes? Take your pick. TurboTax for expert guidance, or Jackson Hewitt for locked-in value and simplicity. Compare them, make the call, and hey, conquer that tax time like a boss.